Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. Yeah, on the MATIC chart we can see this sideways range still. Objectively nothing happened because the market is simply just moving in the range. Also, the market keeps the door open in both directions. Okay, still down and up. However, we see some upside momentum today. Now, if that upside momentum intensifies, then I will start to assume that we're actually working on the C wave of the third wave. Those milestone targets have been on the chart for a long time now. What we need to see to, let's say, believe that this C wave of the third wave is really unfolding, I need to see a break above the 77.5 cent level. That would be my initial signal to say, okay, you know, the white count is clearly in control at the moment. Probabilities are balanced. We are in a range. And it's wise to at least be prepared for one more low, even though it wouldn't necessarily be good for the chart. Okay, so for the chart, it would be good if we finally turn around here. Okay, maybe after one more low, but overall, ideally, we want the turnaround, the reversal in the yellow support region. A rally to 87.4 cents would be the minimum I want to see. Next, okay, to call that a third wave. Yeah, I mean, I always say the bare minimum is really here the 1.236 extension. That would be at 84.4 cents. But let's say the first ideal target is 87.4 cents. That's the 138% extension. That's what we normally want to see in the third wave. And then we can get a fourth wave. And the fifth wave should reach like 92.5 cents. That would be ideal on the log chart here. But I don't have any, let's say, other than upside momentum, there's nothing at the moment to confirm that the rally is really a C wave in the third wave. Okay, it would take a break above that 77.5 cent level. I'm talking about a convincing break to suggest that further. Mentioned to you in the last few days that it takes a break below the red line to invalidate the white count. The market has so far avoided that. Keeps the door open for higher, therefore. But this, you know, sideways range is really boring. You might hear the dog in the background, sorry. This sideways range has been really boring. It is boring. But we maybe see the price attack this, this upside resistance level at 77.5 cents today or tomorrow or so. So that's looking interesting. At least we have a little bit of upside momentum today in the crypto sector. A little bit of interesting upside momentum. But as I said, most of them haven't really broken out. Some have, some are trying to. I mean, Solana, we talked about that already. Solana reversed in the micro support area. And MATIC ideally does reverse in the yellow zone. What is currently not clear is if we get another low or not. I think it's wise to be prepared for it in case it happens. Don't be surprised, you know, but certainly don't be surprised if it turns around here to the upside. I mean, this chart has spent a long time in this yellow support zone. I do call them trend reversal areas at times because they are there to, let's say, reverse the local downtrend into an uptrend. That's what typically happens. That's what happens in these Fibonacci zones. With Elliott wave, we basically get a good understanding of which set of Fibonacci levels and zones we should use. And the actual reversal then should usually happen then in these areas, right? So that's sort of what I'm tracking at the moment. Levels should be clear. To keep that white count alive, the red line needs to hold. That's really key. Basically 63.5 cents. But in the very short term, there are really short-term levels. I mean, really the last low at 66.7 cents. That's obviously the relevant level against which you could focus on higher if you're really trading the short term. But hey, we are still in the range, okay? This up and down is nothing to get too excited about yet. So again, don't vibrate out of your chairs yet because this is literally just still within the range boundaries and could just still form some kind of a triangle maybe, even though that's less likely due to this spike, but could still be working on some kind of a correction there, or the wave 4 is topped there and it's just a 1-2 to the downside, or an AB and a C wave down to follow. Too early to say we've bottomed, yeah. But I'm definitely taking notice of this upside momentum today that we see across the sector. Some coins more than others. And all we're waiting for is now a breakout and a clear signal. Yeah, that's my update about MATIC. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.